Hey guys, how are you? I'm a state certified instructor. We're going to talk about dangers in the parking lot. You'll see a lot of cars going over 20 miles an hour, just like this white car passing me. Parking lots are very dangerous because you have pedestrians coming out to go into their cars. We have multiple stories here where little kids can run out with their parents and they're not paying attention. I want you to examine this because it looks very innocent, but it's very dangerous. We're by a main street. These cars will cut in and go across the parking lot. It's called avoiding the traffic light, which is illegal. So they'll speed through the parking lot to try to beat the light, and here you are coming out of a drugstore, a restaurant, and then you almost get hit. Also, you need to look at how are people parking. You don't want to park by cars because you're going to get your door smashed in. I chose to park away from cars so I can kind of observe the area and I want to be able to see. If you have a nice vehicle, say like those trucks over there, those cars, you park away from them. It's good to get a little exercise and walk. You can see these nice vehicles beside me. So you have to be aware and look at the angles in the parking lot. These are stall parking spots where you would pull into a parking spot or you would reverse park into the stall parking spot, right? You need to look at the day and time. It is currently almost 4 o'clock. People are not really paying attention and they're in a hurry to get home, go to work. People are tired. This spells danger for us as pedestrians, us as drivers, and people who are not paying attention. Let's look at this car coming around the corner, and they're kind of waiting to the corner. See that other vehicle back up? That potentially could have been an accident. So you as a driver always anticipate someone, and that is a blind corner also. A blind corner is where you can't see cars. They're pulling out in front of you, and when you go around a corner, you get nailed. See that other car coming around? Let's see how they're driving. That's a pretty wide turn. Remember, we're in North America. I want to stay middle right. They're kind of almost middle left. There's a pedestrian that was behind me. You can't see them, but I'm looking at the person walking across. You always have to look left and right. Early on, as young children, we learned in elementary school to look left, right, and left. You will be surprised how many times drivers do not look left and right. This is including pedestrians as well as drivers. I try to teach my driver learners to be safe, to look around, and always anticipate potential dangers before they happen. It takes time to analyze these situations. And when your instructor's trying to teach you or coach you, we want to see you listening. We want to see you understanding. And sometimes I take my students out of the vehicle, we stand on the sidewalk, and we take a couple minutes to examine how volatile and dangerous a parking lot is. So you have to be aware because people are coming in and out all the time. You're going to see this car coming. And I'm looking for people, do they have seatbelts on? Are they eating? Are they paying attention? Now that's the nice speed of that car, but they're on the wrong side. What are they doing? Very confusing. So me as a pedestrian or a potential driver, I'm confused because I've learned that in North America, we stay on the right side. Let's look at this white car coming by. They're still coming out kind of wide, but that's not too bad. They're still kind of wide. I need them more to the middle right to anticipate cars and people backing out, cars coming around this corner really fast. So I hope this helped you today, teaching you about some of the dangers in the parking lot. If it did, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I do driver's ed tutorials for new drivers. Bye.